Assalamu alaikum and very warm welcome to all of you. This is the course Signal and System Foundation course with Python. Today you will learn two major classification, that is classification of the signal based on the origin or nature, and the second one is based on the mathematical or behavior of the signals. These are very important topics. Many students are confused in it. So let's start. So as you know from a previous lecture, signal is physical quantity that carries information. So signals are classified in different ways for analysis and applications. The two major classifications or division of the signal is division based on the physical or origin of the signal, and the one that is based on mathematical or behavior. So the division or the classification based on the physical or nature of the signal. Now this focuses on the physical source or nature of the signal. So we see that in nature signals are, for example, sound signal. You understand sound signal are those signals that are audible, we can hear them, and they are the mechanical waves, right? They require medium to for transmission. The second case is the biomedical signals. So you understand human body signals such as ECG, EEG, etc. provides very important information regarding our health. So hopefully you understand the difference between sound signal and the biomedical signal. Similarly, we have the electrical signal, and the electrical signals are the current and voltage signals. The other signals in nature are electromagnetic signals. You understand they travel as electromagnetic wave and they don't require any medium for transmission, and this list goes on. So this classification of signal, that's mathematical or behavior based classification, describes mathematical behavior of the signal. So in this classification, we can say the signal is either continuous time signal or discrete time signal. So you understand continuous time signal or discrete time signal can be biomedical signal, can be electrical signal, or can be any other can be from any other source in nature. Similarly, signals can be periodic signal and they can be aperiodic signal. So again, these can be electrical signal, these can be sound signal, or these can be biomedical signal. Similarly, the third division is based on whether the signal is even or odd. So hopefully you understand all this, right? Then we have the deterministic and the random signal, whether the signal is deterministic, that we can determine at any instant of time its value, or we cannot determine. So if we cannot determine, then such signals are called the random signals. And the fifth division is energy and power signal. So we can also divide the signal or classify the signal based on energy and power. So hopefully you understand the difference between the two. That is classification based on mathematical or behavior, or the one that is based on the origin of the signals. So in this lecture, we learn about the classification of signals, and we understand that we can classify the signal either based on their origin or mathematical behavior. Mathematical classification explains signal properties. Both signal classifications are important in signal and systems. So this lecture is part of the Signals and System Foundation course with mathematics. So that's all from my side. If you have any confusion and or you want to discuss anything, you can write in the comment section. That's all. See you in the next lecture.